Okay guys, what we want to do today, or what I'd like to do today, is we just processed last week our meat birds. Our meat bird, I guess you heard that. We just processed our meat birds last week, and we moved the pens out of the, let's see, they were over here in the pasture, in the small pasture, and we moved them back over to here to where we let the chickens out every morning. We just moved both these pens over here to store them. But we moved our turkeys. They were way up in that pen, in that little pasture up there by the sunflowers, and we moved them over there every day, and they're just getting so big. They're getting so big. I want to start free ranging these guys. I want to start letting them out like we do our chickens. Let me see if I can get some video. This guy here, he wants to strut all day, and he'll gobble. They're getting so big, I think. But I want to be here to let them out. I got to go back to the doctor here shortly. I got to go to the doctor. I'm trying to beat this cold back. But as soon as I get back, I want to be here. I don't know if they'll wander off. I'm hoping they'll come back just like the chickens do every night. And this is food, water, and security, so I'm hoping that's what'll happen. But I'd like to be here so if they do try to wander in the woods or something, I'll have a chance of finding them. Like I say, this is our first time we've done chickens, oh my gosh, since my daughter was a little baby, but 20-something years. But we've just started with the turkeys, and they're not as fast as a chicken. They move so slow, and I'm just waiting on a hawk. We have a young hawk that's done started coming around here, and he is fearless. He is not scared of anything. So I'm wondering what he'll do with them, and it'll be a lot of fun. I'll learn and y'all will learn. How about that? We'll all learn together how to raise a turkey. Hey everybody, I just wanted to show you what the sunflowers are doing, give you a little update. They are doing fantastic. I just wanted to show you guys. I'm going to try to put a video on here today to show you the buckwheat first. We planted a buckwheat. It came up in 4 weeks and flowered, and the bees absolutely loved it. And we planted the sunflowers with the buckwheat, and so once the buckwheat fizzles out, the sunflowers come in and it just takes off, and the bees are loving them. The bees are just loving them. I'll get another pic here in just a minute in the front of the pasture and show you guys a little different view. But the sunflowers are doing awesome. We paid $20 for a 50-pound bag of black oil sunflower seeds. Tilled it, threw it out. I think the buckwheat was $40. It was $40. The sunflower seeds were $20. We mixed it together, threw it out, and it's just taken off, looking great. I see a lot of those big bees, but I don't see an awful lot of honeybees. I sure wish I seen more honeybees out here. I just walked out here. But man, it's so pretty. It's so nice. We're just doing great. All right, this is a different perspective of the pasture. Our pigs are right, there's our beehives, and our pigs are right up there behind those trees in this far corner. We just scraped out a little spot for them. And the sunflowers just look fantastic. $20, it just blows me away. $20 we spent for a 50-pound bag that would normally just feed to the chickens. But you can see right here the deer love them too. So this whole big patch right in here, all this has just been devoured by the deer. Of course, it don't help. I got feeders running for them, but we run feeders, and because we do love deer hunting. We do a heck of a lot of hunting. We hunt just about everything. We love it. I'm actually wanting to turn this into a little dove field, hopefully when dove season gets here. for me and my grandson. But there's the sunflowers. And they just keep going. They're looking great. All right, everybody, we're going to try to open these turkeys up. They look like they're pretty excited. I don't know if y'all can see them all the way down there. But I got some folks with me. I got my daughter. That's Jessica. And I got my little grandbaby, Emma. Got the star of the show. Who is this?
Me.
What's your name?
Mason.
Mason the farm boy, right?
Yeah.
All right, let's go let these turkeys out. You ready?
Yeah.
Yeah, you want to carry the camera?
Yeah. Ready to Coke.
Huh?
Ready to Coke.
Yeah, let me see it for a minute. Why don't you go open the door and let the turkeys out? You want to do that?
Yeah.
You want to be the one that lets the turkeys out? Huh? Oh, listen to them gobble. I think they're ready to come out, don't you? Yeah. Ooh. Sounded like one was in there, didn't it? Let's see what they do. All right, buddy, you ready? You open the door? Let's see if they'll pull it. Pull the door, open it up, and let's see if they'll come out. Let's stand over here and see what they do. Come on, guys. Mason, come here. Let's just see if they'll walk out on their own. Let's give them a minute and see what they do. I bet the chickens go in there I know chickens going in there for some corn, ain't they? Let's see what they do. What do you think, honey? Huh? Mason, come over here for just a second. Come here, pal. Let's see if they'll come out. Look, turkeys don't know what to think about them chickens, do they? Chicken. Look at that one strutting there. Oh. Well, we got 4 of them out. And some more. Yeah, they're gonna stay right. They're gonna stay right here. I hope.
They want to get past that fence, so they can't figure it out.
Yeah, I just got to keep my eye on them. I hope they go back in there. I know the chickens are loving going in there, ain't they?
I know the chickens
Cleaning
have
up
no
behind
fear. They're
them.
just like, we're coming in.
Mm-hmm. Look at that one wanting out real bad. He's wanting out real bad.
They just went through. Get up.
All right. Huh? Well, we're going to sit out here and watch them for a little while and see what they do. And we'll try to get in the bees here shortly. I'm going to sit out here with these guys for just a few more minutes. Now they're on the other side of the fence.
Sit here, sir.
Well, from here to there, so far so good. So far so good. Hopefully I won't have to track them down tonight. They're staying right here. It's only been a few minutes, but we'll see. All right, everybody. I'm gonna smoke these things real quick. We'll jump in here. We're just gonna do one little hive. I have to apologize to my son-in-law, because he loves to do the bees just as much as I do. We'll give him just a tad bit of smoke. About to let it burn out. But he loves to get in these bees just as much as I do. I'm sort of jumping the gun just to get a little video in, but I thought I'm about to die to get in this little hive right here. This is one of our splits. And I'm just not seeing a lot of activity. And I was just curious what's going on in here. Curious what's going on in here. Yeah. Like I say, the other ones have taken off, and this one's really, really slow. Really slow going. You know, that was nothing. These are the only three. It looks like nothing is really happening whatsoever. I just want to see if we have a queen doing any laying. Take a quick look and see if she's doing anything. That thing, nothing's happening. Queen cell, it didn't hatch. Let's see. Not a lot of bees. Not a lot of bees. No brood. No nothing. I don't like. I see a few dead bees down there. This hive is not looking too hot. We may have to put this one with another hive real quick, maybe tomorrow. Maybe tomorrow. Nothing. I mean, we're about to lose all these. This one may be too far gone. Maybe too far gone. We may just... I don't think we got a queen in that one, and I think all the bees are dying off. So. If we get in these things tomorrow, with my son-in-law home, I'll try to make a video showing all these other hives, these strong hives, and decide what to do with this one. It's not looking too hot. Not looking hot at all. Alright guys, I appreciate y'all watching our channel. Do me a favor, hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, and we promise to do more bee videos. We really love our bees. My son-in-law, he absolutely loves them. And sorry he had to work today, and I apologize to him again for not waiting on him to do the bees, but maybe tomorrow we can get back into them again, or the next day, but we'll keep some bee videos coming. I know a lot of people are fascinated with bees. We are too. Let us know anything that you see we're doing right, we're doing wrong. We would greatly appreciate it, especially with the turkeys. We've never done turkeys. We've done bees and chickens for quite a while. Never done turkeys, and like I say, I'm scared they're going to be gone. So just let us know, and we'll keep y'all updated. Let us know how we're doing. We'll all raise turkeys together. Thanks.